Hello everyone. Welcome you all to the launch of Alexa, a technology that will amaze you all. We all have imagined a world as we see in Iron Man, Avengers, where our home treats us like a guest. For instance, I'm about to reach home and meanwhile the home automatically start doing the chores in advance, like unlocking the door, switching on the lights, pulling up the curtains, adjusting the room temperature. Or imagine your refrigerator automatically orders milk or eggs after noticing that these items have been already consumed, or may order items in advance after predicting that you may run low on a few necessities in the next 2 3 days. How wonderful it is, right? Alexa can do all this. Alexa is a hands free device with a speaker that works with the voice command as an intelligent personal assistant. It operates on various voice search commands efficiently. Alexa can hear you. Alexa can talk to you. With Alexa, we can control the lighting, temperature, doors, and even the home security system just through your smartphone. Now I hand over to Soumya to continue further.
You Ayushi. Let's see how Alexa enhances our day to day life. The phone has become a basic need. Just when you thought house phones were dead, Amazon brings them back. Alexa can now be used to make calls to other Alexa devices in other houses. And like the answering machines of the 90s, you can also leave a message. Secondly, controlling your lights, door locks, switches, appliances, and other smart home devices is probably what Alexa is best at doing. Searching your TV remote is still a treasure hunt in many homes. Instead of digging around for the remote, Alexa can control your TV almost entirely by voice. Alexa will make you happier by playing songs. By default, Alexa plays through Amazon Music, but if you want to switch to Spotify, you can change the settings and use Spotify as the default player. COVID 19 has made our lives strain our eyes, lending our ears and listening to the news. Flash briefing is done by Alexa so that you get to know about what's happening in the real world. Last but not the least, everyone is cooking these days. No, Alexa can't cook for you, but she will help you avoid dropping ingredients on your iPad or your recipe book. Alexa will make your cooking easier and less stressful. You can get conversions such as how many tablespoons in a quarter cup, or you can ask for recipes, you can set a timer, play music, etc. Now I pass it on to Sricharan.
Thank you, Soumya. Now, when you talk about the technologies and sciences behind this making of Alexa, it is quite complex. It is because let's take a small scenario where you want to book movie tickets. And when you ask Alexa to book movie tickets for you, what it does is it forms neural networks and also uses artificial intelligence. And it finds out which is the closest and most popular theater in your locality. And as I said, it uses artificial intelligence, neural networks, voice technologies, machine learning, and many more technologies. Now, you might ask me, do I need to know all these technologies to use this Alexa? I would say definitely not. All you need to know is to just give a small command to Alexa and it does your job. Now, I know it is really difficult for you to visualize the product I am talking about. So, what we did is we made a small video.
It's got a new look and a new speaker with improved sound. It's designed to fit almost anywhere, like your bedroom, the kitchen, or your desk, and can play all your favourite music. Alexa, play music for studying.
Here is a playlist for studying music, acoustic study, from Amazon Music.
Alexa, start my day. With Alexa routines, Echo Dot can turn on the lights, turn up the heat, and more with a single command. Alexa can also check your schedule, get you up to date, and keep dinner on track. Alexa, set a pasta timer for 8 minutes.
Pasta timer, 8 minutes. Starting now.
Best of all, Echo Dot and Alexa are always getting smarter and adding new features and skills. Echo Dot from Amazon.
As you have seen in the video, you don't need to know all the technologies. All you need to do is just give a small voice command to Alexa and it does the job for you. Now Rishka will continue and give us more information.
Thank you, Charan, for your information on the technology of Alexa. Along with the amazing services provided by Alexa, we also have many other additional programs. For example, we have the Alexa Fund, where we invest in developing companies. We collaborate and invest in companies that can give innovative ideas to the services provided by Alexa. We collaborate with maximum number of companies possible. For example, we collaborated with Ola Cabs. So if you want to book a cab anytime, Alexa does that for you. We also encourage ideas from the user side. For example, if anyone at your house wants to add any service to Alexa, which is not included in our inbuilt service, but would be a great use for them in their day-to-day life, you can contact our agency. Our agency will install the service if possible. We also have the Alexa Price Challenge for students who are interested to know more about our product and want to contribute to our services. We will be very delighted to encourage them. We have a 24 by 7 service system, both online and offline, to solve all your problems. Now, Vinay will continue.
Thank you, Rishka. Till now, we have seen what is Alexa and how does it work and the technology that is used in the collaborative programs. Now, the next question that will be striking in your mind is regarding the price. What is the price of Alexa? Whether it is affordable or not? And the answer is yes. It just costs around Rs 3,499 only. The product includes Alexa along with a charger and a guide which helps you to get to know more about the product and the way to use it. All these features like playing music and assisting in our day-to-day lives at just Rs 3,499 is affordable. Now I hand it over to Aishi to conclude the launch.
Thank you, Vinay. Now, as we have seen, the smart home becoming a reality with Alexa, which is affordable and makes our life easy. I hope you liked our product. For any queries, please comment down. We would love to answer them. Thank you for attending our launch.